In this video, I will tell you how to enable Secure Boot in Windows 11 and fix problems related to Secure Boot being disabled or unsupported. First, open Settings and go to the Windows Update section. Then open Recovery and click Restart Now next to Advanced Startup. Your computer will restart, and after a moment you should see a blue recovery screen with several large buttons. From there, click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally choose UEFI Firmware Settings. After clicking Restart, your computer will boot directly into the BIOS or UEFI menu, which is basically the place where you configure low-level settings for your computer hardware. Depending on the brand of your motherboard, the Secure Boot option may be located in a completely different place than mine, so do not panic if your BIOS looks different. Usually, the setting can be found inside tabs like Settings, Advanced Settings, Security, or Boot. It is a good idea to carefully check all sections until you find Secure Boot, but avoid changing random settings if you do not know what they do. Once you finally find the Secure Boot option, change it from Custom to Standard. In many cases, this alone fixes Secure Boot-related problems instantly and properly enables the feature. After making the change, exit the BIOS. Usually you can do this by pressing Escape several times, clicking the X in the corner, or using the Save and Exit option depending on your motherboard manufacturer. Your computer will restart automatically and Secure Boot should now be enabled correctly. This is often required for certain games, anti-cheat systems, Windows 11 features, and security-related applications to work properly. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.